for the FPU Lady Tamaraos. Now the Clarice Loresco go along. Blessing Unekwe will be the new addition to the starting lineup. A healthy Embanagwa, and it's a good thing.
We need height. And as Coach Kung Fu mentioned, they're no longer Miss Universe na daw sila with their height advantage this season in some possessions. And again, they do want to be making a lot of waves in the off-season.
Yes.
Super intact starting six, as you can see, being led by their setter in Tin Ubaldo.
And I think they're extremely confident about their chances too, Neil. And there's a palpable excitement in the FEU community because of their chances this year. And right away, it is their high school striker for FEU High. 2-1. And then, of course, the off-season injuries to Jonah Perdido, starting opposite player, and of course, their talent. We've heard it's really finding a home in a position because she's been changing outside,
reception. So she's also going to be one of those defensive anchors for FEU. For UST, we're still waiting for their offense to connect because they've only scored one attack point so far in the opening set.
Set back. Side now of FEU. Tagad. Altea got a hand on it. They're trying to send it to Poyos. No clean set for Poyos yet. That's too low. But Loresco finds a way to score. 23 aces in season 86. They're tied at number 1. Reverse set to Bacanque. FEU taking the lead back.
It's a long day.
4 sets between FEU and UST in the men's. FEU taking that one. Reverse.
Oh, great timing from Petalio.
That's what you were talking about, her blocking.
It was in the right.
But she didn't make it in time, so Embanagwa has to serve that. That's a very tight set. Altea will send it over. The lead is 2 for FEU. Make that 3. FEU looking confident. And again, Altea this time. Offense coming from Jean Assis again. Jurado, 1 point in this set so far, over receive. Cassie. Poyos in the middle. The UST playing catch-up all throughout this set number 1. For FEU, looking to take set number 1. A joust. Jump set. Coverage. Altea tips it. Pepito. Back to Marga. That drops in.
That's another block for Panangin.
And like I said earlier, FEU walking around, Neil, looking very, very confident. And the confidence coming from a few things. They had a great preseason. They had a great offseason. They're held there at the helm. And the confidence that they have from their acquisitions. And right now,
Baldo will choose Loresca. Checked at the net. Bacanque.
Oh, and Altea was there but could not keep it in play.
Support the girls today, and she said that today is actually a very special game for her because as the team's Magic Bunot, it was also against FEU last year that she was in Neil.
That's right. That was March 3, 2024 here at the SM Mall of Asia Arena, where Saisa Gula came in and set dulo na ng set number 3. Played until set number 5, scored 13 points off the bench and a reverse sweep by UST against FEU, a game that will team Neil, this girl serving now. To Jurado. Shoot set to the other side. Coverage was there. Carvalho. Poyos from behind. Bacanque. Right behind that line.
Yes, scored 5 out of the 6 points of FEU.
You're right. Panagua sends it to the other side. Tagaod gets it back. Encarnacion for coverage. Bakake again! 6 points in set number 2. Medyo nagtanggal na ng UST jacket si Coach Kung Fu. Gene assist.
Opportunities to attack. Yun yung ginagawa ni Tin Ubaldo for FEU.
Nabitin yung talon ni Altea. Tagaod. Doug. Lapit. Camille Abantar, first referee, awards the point to UST.
I think there was a
Altea on that other side. She had one blocker. Cassie pulls. Sent back by Bakake. Abu again.
Abu has been.
Bakake is now in front. Altea serves to Tagaod. Misreceived.
Better hit from Chini Tagaod.
Nilay's already in the UAP beach for FEU High School. It's a lot of excitement for Melody Pons, and she's in the ballgame for the first time. The younger sister of the FEU great as Lopez sends it back for season 87. Boy, they miss her here. As an ace, served up by Reg Jurado. Cetaphil pass serve, sensitive skin needs 15-11, the biggest lead of the match now. Pons receiving, chance to counter, back set to Jurado, mababa. Encarnacion looks at Lopez. Lopez cross court. Carvalho has Angge Poyos on the other side, but Bakake says no entry.
This has been Faida Bakanke's set. She has checked Angge Poyos coaching staff. They have two great setters from the FEU program, Coach Tina Salak and Coach Manolo from the men's team.
Correct.
Focusing on Tin Ubaldo's game.
Who was last year's head coach. Poyos with a push. Ubaldo reverses to Bakake.
She can do no wrong this set. Block from UST so that they can see a clear ball path papunta dun sa backcourt nila. Again, kailangan talaga maging stable sila. Now, Panagua will finally get on the board.
7-point lead. Sharp serve. Pons. Oh! Headshot from Melody Pons. What a way to really tell everybody she's here. Pabalik sa kanya. Sends it over. Jurado with a dive. Altea asking for it. Miss hit. Bakake again.
Again, an open block.
Yeah. Kitang-kita mo sa pattern, Neil. Matras na sila eh.
Sometimes mas gusto ng defenders na merong block na nakaseta para nakikita nila kung saan dadaan yung bola. But again, that was the design play. Now, Cassie Carvalho continues to say the in.
Batalha's back. Sent back by Altea. Pons again. Ooh, underneath the ball. Was there a check?
Yes, they go to their best option.
Lead back to 6. This time the block. Poyos meeting Bakake at the top. But she will be fine. Ate can always help her. Sent back.
The power is there.
Power is there. The jump is there. Shoot set. Angge. Oh, what a recovery there by Pepito. Miranda leaves it for Loresco. Pepito. Jurado. Smart play by the judge. And the executioner here in set number 2.
We knew that this game was going to be a long one.
Don't say we didn't warn you during the pregame. 11 points in the match. 9 of them came in that second set. It's a brand new ball game now. Oh, Pepito still able to get to it. But a smart play by FEU there.
So that hindi nila makommit yung center line fault.
Reg. Ubaldo leaves it. Pepito to Altea, had to adjust. Still gets the point. Marga Altea. Chance ball. Tin. Joust. Miscommunication. Scramble here. Altea, unsure. In set number 1, USC looked very good. In set number 2 right now, it's all FEU again as Onekwe comes back in and is blocked by the very smart blocker, Petalio.
Already has 5 attack points in this set. USD only has 2.
Petalio.
Battle of sprints as well in terms of scoring.
Altea delays that hit. Bacanque with the push. Cassie to Ange in the middle. Delayed by the blockers of FEU. Bacanque will try again. And targets that spot again.
That is the disadvantage if you really give her an open block. There was confusion on the floor of...
Cordora will be the open spiker here for UST.
Again, it was yun na bumaba na sila when Gene Aces hit that ball.
Easy take there for FEU. Elarina this time away from USC now. Bahe to Altea. Cross court. So the youngsters now taking over, but Cassie and Reg will come back in for Wahe, former captain of the girls volleyball team of UST. Back set. Rebound, and they were not able to chase it. 17 serving 8. Boyos returned. Reg. Ubaldo. Back set to Bacanque. Stopped by Carvalho. Boyos sends it over. Carnacion to Petalio. The dive, and Petalio again scores.
The passes of UST trying to make the best decision kahit sa out-of-system plays.
Petalio again.
Defense has been on and off as well for UST. That's something na kailangan ma-figure out.
Trying to hide her. Pepito taking it from Altea's direction. This is the girl that needs to really come alive, Reg Jurado. Jurado with the dive. Boyos skies. And a hit out.
She went back.
Petalio. Bacanque is turned away. On the other side.
Chen Tagaud wasn't happy with that pickup from Tinobaldo.
4 points away from a 2-1 lead for FEU. What a sharp serve for Faida. Ubaldo running attack by Asis is in. Everything working.
And going to the end line, targeting the sweeper position.
It's a clean hit. Oh, trickery! Pepito was up for it. But speaking of trickery, Cassie Carvalho right there again.
kitang-kita natin yung motivation ni Coach Tina Salak to always finish in the best way possible.
One hand pick up there. And another giveaway by UST to FEU. And choices from Ubaldo.
Out of the Tina Salak playbook.
They have a feeling last year that they were on the verge, Neil. But this year they feel that they're right there contending with the best of them. Tagaod. Altea sends it over. Ubaldo. Cassie to Inekwe with a push. Ubaldo reverses. Back! And you also see, Neil, Coach Kung Fu really cannot settle on a rotation yet. And that's what you said also at the start of this match. The starting... And a giveaway right away to FEU. So far, a lot can still happen. But UST is looking for that chemistry. Again, the big blow, for those who don't know, Saisa Gula and Jonah Perdido out for the season. Combination play, the first, or maybe the second one we've seen, but the first one
goes to show how deep their sisterhood really is, and we'll definitely see more of that in our match today. Continue to watch all of the action.
I'm a creature of habit. 3-2 for UST. Bounces back. Tin. Back to Petalio. Look at her. Look at her go. Don Montinola, of course, with us here. As we mentioned, kanina pa yan, watching the men's also earlier today, winning over UST. They're trying to make it a double. It's Bacangque this time with a hit out. Jurado to Tagaod. Jurado was there for coverage. Poyo sends it over. Tin. Ashes spanking that ball. Last year, she scored 16 in that second round match. Volleyball. Match number 2 of the women's division, the women's tournament. Boom Gonzalez, Neil Flores. FEU over UST so far. 8-5 here in the fourth. Combination again. And Angel Poyos. UST 9-8 UST. That breaks a 4-0 run.
Kaya nila ginagawa yan kasi that is the instruction of Coach Tina Salak. Let's split the blockers.
What a serve.
Yung finishing kick lang talaga. They almost made it. They forced that do or die game against the Lady Bulldogs. But they fell short. Fund.
12-10.
And they do.
They change it up there. They change it up. 12. Altea. Cross court. Oh, Ginasis with a couple of saves. Poyos with a dig. Altea again. Reverse to Bacangque. Carvalho. Back to Altea. Asis. And Bacangque unable to save that. But it also emphasizes and underscores how different it is here when the nerves and the spotlight and the crowd all come into play.
And then if you're coming from that middle blocker in the previous set, they only converted 7. We're at 18%.
Very close. But it still goes through. Altea from behind. Pump pass to Tagaod. Bumalik sa FEU. Elarina puts it away.
UST is back on top, still with a 2-point lead.
Tin will go to Bacangque. That's too close. So for Urado, and she knew it. We'll see. They might not have a choice. Pakanke. That's the set she likes. Better defense by UST. Petalio again.
Alam niya rin yung habits and tendencies nung nasa harapan niya.
Combination play. Swung. Petalio. Two-way player. And then on offense, Wahe will have a full front line. Petalio. Wahe. Poyos. Denied! Loresco!
Punta yung setters ng UST kay Poyos.
Ooh, misreceived. Chance ball. Looking to tie. Petalio. Altea. Reverse. Long ball. Dikit. Another joust. That is out for Loresca. Good idea, Neil. Natulak. Nakita ni Pepito. Changes your mind. Pinabawi. That's in.
Third year.
Petalio with a serve. One blocker to beat. Tagaod. And we're all tied up at 18.
That pipe.
Altea. Just not strong enough. Tagaod. Good coverage there by Wahe. Altea again. Loresco tips it over. Pepito. To Nop. Denied. Wahe. Uneque. What a point!
Three different attackers in the front line.
And we're all tied up again. Tight moments here at the end of this fourth set. Altea asking for it. Oh no! Oh no! Elerina! What happened there, Nina?
Light up that fire on offense.
Bumalik sa UST. Carvalho. It's low for Abu. The biggest lead of UST in this set was Petalio receiving. Sending it over. Carvalho. Back to the rookie, Altea. Elerina. Very tight. Scramble. Poyos will send it over. Another tight one. Pepito able to get it over. Ubaldo to Tagaod. Jelly Tagaod. 22.
And you still have Elerina as an option for that quick attack.
Good defense by Encarnacion. Carvalho chooses Abu again. No entry! And it's still Ubaldo. It's in her hands. Pepito receiving. Jurado. That's a great save by Encarnacion. Carvalho to Jurado again. No touch. It's out. And FEU. There's a block touch challenge here. What a save by Encarnacion first to set up that play.
FEU has tallied 15 kill blocks in this game. UST only has 7. One of the stat lines na talagang nagpaangat sa FEU in this game. UST is still hoping for a block touch of that combination play. I'm looking at this replay. It looked like it was really outside. That was a clean A block from Eliarina. So FEU will take this game in 4 sets as they open their campaign in UAAP Season 87 with a big win against the Golden Tigresses.